Hey guys, my name's Courtney, and today in this YouTube video, we're going to be going over digital marketing, what it is, how you can get started, and how it can benefit you. So first, let me start by telling you that my name's Courtney. I'm a dog mom to two. I started digital marketing because I wanted to make more money. I worked retail for 3 years and was sick of having to ask them for time off, holidays, having to work weekends. So I started MLMs and I was very successful at those MLMs. Okay. But it wasn't enough money. Okay. And because of the MLMs, it's a pyramid. So the people above you make the money too. So I got out of MLMs. Um, and then I knew I wanted to make more money. Okay. So I knew that I always had a passion for digital and affiliate marketing because I had watched YouTube videos on it, just like you're watching here. So I watched these videos of how people were making $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 days. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's life changing money. I want to do it too. So I did some research and they said you need a product. And so I researched and I found a product that I wanted, and it was low ticket. It was only $7. And I bought this course. But what I didn't know is I bought the course and I was left by the wayside. Unless you could pay $2,000 for mentorship, you had to figure out by yourself. Well, I had to purchase a ClickFunnels account. I had to know how to set up funnels. I had to know how to do email marketing. And I was just a beginner and nobody to ask for help. So I did the whole thing and promoted it for a couple months, and then I stopped. And I made one sale and it was $3.50. And I was like, this isn't working. I'm not doing something right. People are making bigger commissions than me. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So I scrapped it. Went back to work for retail. Worked there 3 years, decided to leave. And one night I was scrolling on TikTok and I found this girl and she was live and she was talking about how in 4 months she made $20,000 with this program. And I was like, oh my gosh. She said how she retired her husband and all of this stuff. And I wanted it too. Now, back when I did this the first time, there was no option. Either you had the money to start or you didn't. So she was saying how you could get started today for $43, the price of taking your family to Chipotle. And I was hooked. She said, I'll give you my growth starter bundle, be your mentor, and get you started. That night we talked and talked, and the next day we talked, and she didn't rush me for the sale. And then I decided to jump in. And I said, I'm a part of it. What do I need to do? And she gave me the framework. So that's my story on how I got started with digital marketing. Now we're going to get into what digital marketing is. So affiliate and digital marketing are the promotion of product, services, and brands to potential customers using the internet and other digital communication channels like small social media and mobile devices. Okay. So anything that's not physical, a cup, a plate, a laptop, a mouse, they say that you can go on Amazon Associates and make all this money, but their margins are too small. You can do low ticket affiliate marketing, which is what Amazon Associates is, but you have to sell so much to even break even. Okay. Then there's mid ticket, which is what I'm in. Okay. And then there's high ticket, those $2,000, $1,200, $1,800 courses. All right. So when I started this, I knew what digital marketing was. and I knew I wanted customers, but I didn't know how to get them. And that's what my mentor has taught me. This course teaches you how to sell products faceless. Just like you're watching me here, you can start a TikTok channel faceless. You can go live faceless. You can do a YouTube video faceless. You're going to get more sales talking to people than just doing Instagram faceless. Why? Because people will build the like, know, and trust factor. If you're a 9-to-5er, or you're a stay-at-home mom that wants extra income, or you don't have to want to worry about checking the bank account before you go to the store, or you want to buy a brand new car for your parents, or you want to put your kids in extracurricular activities, you're who I want to resonate with. You're who I want to teach. And we're going to get into the product that I promote. It's called Create Faceless Wealth. It's the only faceless course on the internet right now. And it tells you step by step by step what you need to do and how you need to do it. And if you follow this course and implement what it's telling you and show up every single day, no matter what, you're eventually going to make a sale because you're going to sell in stories. You're going to tell your story how you're a stay-at-home mom, or a 9-to-5 dad, or a single mom that wanted something different for their lives. And that's how it's going to sell. In storytelling. Storytelling sells. They don't tell you that. Big affiliate marketers won't tell you that. They want to keep their secrets in high-ticket affiliate products so you'll spend the money and they make the money. You're going to sell products through content and storytelling. Now, the product that I promote, Create Faceless Wealth, teaches you step by step how to set up your stand store, how to start content, how to set up an Instagram, how to optimize your bio, everything you need to know step by step. And if you follow those instructions, you will be successful at digital marketing. How do I know? Because I'm doing it. I have an Instagram that I'm posting every day. I have a TikTok that I'm going live on. I've started this YouTube channel to help other people, to do videos like this, so that, no, you can't see my face, but you can hear my voice. I want to help you start digital marketing the correct way so that you resonate with people, so you can sell in your stories. I'm going to show you the back office of Create Faceless Wealth and what a community we have in this this course, and how you can get into it too for the price of taking your family to Chipotle for $43. You can start on a payment plan. You can go through the course and have your digital marketing business set up and only have to work 1 to 3 hours a day creating content. If you can do that, you will be successful in this business. Let me show you my Create Faceless Wealth dashboard. Okay? There's people that say newbie to everything. Okay? New here. It's okay. You can post in this group, and the creator of this program personally responds to every message. Other big affiliate marketers don't do that. They don't make the time for little people. They only make the time for people that will give them $2,000 for a one-on-one coaching call, or $2,600 to be in their mentorship. She makes time. Fresh start. Start with prayer. Start with faith. 6 sales by day 17. Why is that? Because she was consistent in her content. Every day she showed up. Every day she posted. Have I made a sale yet? No, I haven't. And I've been at this since the end of August. But I only started posting content the 11th of September. My breakthrough is coming, and yours is too. 333K in 48-hour launch. Look at that. That is a lot of money, guys. You can do this. You can start digital marketing for the cost of taking your family to Chipotle. Take the leap of faith. Let me be your mentor. Let me give you the step-by-step process that I'm taking and going to reach people and make sales too. You can do this. I never thought I could do this. Day one on a new account. Let me show you the back office of the YouTube videos that you can watch. 5 to 10 minute YouTube videos. The instruction, fast track to selling CFW, the basics. You have your own AI assistant to come up with your hooks and your captions, and you don't have to create content by yourself. You're not left out in the cold to figure this out all by yourself. You have to be purpose driven. I want to help the stay-at-home moms, the stay-at-home dads, the 9-to-5ers leave their jobs. Understanding digital products, using Canva, creating digital products, building your brand, designing a website if you want to, designing a PNG sales page in Canva, setting up your faceless Instagram, planning your content strategy, your sales success system, and how you're going to use Instagram stories to sell your product, because stories sell products. Just like you're listening to me here, if you resonate with this, you buy because you resonate with somebody's story. They have what you want, okay? The branding and design corner, okay? The trust factor. It's going to teach you about building trust with your company and with your customers. Magnetic sales copy and messaging. The buyer's journey. It's going to walk you through what you as a buyer felt, what buyers after you that come across your content are going to feel. DM mastery, how to sell in your messages. The trust funnel, how to set up your freebie and give away your freebie. And let me mention, the link in the description has my freebie. So if you want to click on the link in my bio or in the description and you want to get my freebie, get my free affiliate marketing and digital marketing guide. It's completely free. How to grow your Instagram, how to expand your reach, how to do your trial reels on Instagram. If you want to start a Threads faceless account, if you want to film faceless content, how to make your content aesthetic, how to use AI and faceless, how to use Pinterest, how to start a Threads quote page. It's all here, guys. This is the only digital product that you're going to need to set up success faceless. If you're ready to start digital marketing and you want something more for your family and your life, if you want to leave that 9-to-5, if you want to make extra money for your family, if you want to pay off debt and pay off your car, click the link in my bio. Do it scared. Do it not knowing what's coming next, because I promise you, it's going to change your life. I wanted to share my Create Faceless Wealth course with you because I believe in this product. I know that it's going to set me free. I know that I'm going to have a buyer that watches this video that says, what is digital marketing and how can I start it? You can start today. Change your life today. It's one choice. You can do it. And I'm going to be there for you step by step. Click the link in your bio, my description if you want to learn more about digital marketing and how you can get started. It takes one change. Change your life today. I hope this video was helpful. I hope that if you want more information, leave me a comment below. Tell me the videos that you want to see about digital marketing. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified when I drop new content every single day, because I'm going to take you on this digital marketing journey, because it's possible for you too. Comment, like, share, follow, subscribe, comment, do all the things. And I'll be back tomorrow with another video. And like I said, if you want my free digital marketing guide, get it in the description. If you want a sneak peek of what Create Faceless Wealth is all about, get it in my description. It's all there. You can do this. I believe in you. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video.